In just minutes from now, you could have access to the most powerful, highest quality, and most human-like sounding text-to-speech technology on the planet. In fact, the voice you are listening to right now is built on that technology. Yes, you heard that right. This is not a voice-over talking. You're hearing a voice created 100% with Synthesys. Other voice apps are built on Amazon or Google's technology.
Find your new home rental? Tired of sifting through classified ads and online direct?
But they still sound quite robotic. You are now listening to the first technology on the planet that is fully based on real human voices. No more robotic or creepy sounding audio that nobody wants to hear. Introducing Synthesys. Use it for sales videos like the one you're watching right now, explainer videos, Facebook or Instagram marketing videos, training tutorials, podcasts, or TV commercials. The opportunities are endless. Here is the best part. During this launch special, you'll get the commercial license included. This means you'll be able to generate revenue with Synthesys immediately. Freelancers and voice actors are charging hundreds of dollars to provide voiceover services. You can sell your services on Fiverr, on freelance sites, or you can help your clients and local businesses directly and get paid for it handsomely from the comfort of your home. Plus, imagine how much money and time you will save not having to pay voiceover talents for your videos and not having to wait for weeks to get your files delivered. Starting today, you can just type your message into Synthesys, and within minutes you'll have an incredibly powerful and 100% human-like voice ready to go for all your videos and projects. It's all done in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick the voice you like. Step 2. Enter your text. Step 3. Click Create, and you are done. It really is that simple and newbie-friendly. Now to truly over-deliver, we'll provide you with 8 different human voices to choose from. Podcasts, sales videos, animations, whatever project you got. Synthesys has a voice for it, male or female. Synthesys will help you wow your audience. It will help you to get more engagement and more traffic from all your projects, but most importantly, it will help you generate more revenue. This is the first app built on real human voices, and during this launch special you can get it for next to nothing. Check out all the examples on the page below. And don't forget, with this launch deal you get immediate access to everything, including the commercial license, 8 different voices, our brand new sound editor, and so much more. So don't hesitate and come on board now before this special deal is over. Take action immediately and grab your early bird copy now.